Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to Mohsin Tech YouTube channel. Dear friends, subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. Dear friends, in this one of the most important video, I am going to show you how to add or remove water stamp on WhatsApp. Go to your phone menu and find WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp icon. Make sure that you are on chat tab. Tap on more option, which is a three dot icon located at the top right corner on the page. Tap on setting option, tap on account, tap on privacy, tap on last seen. You have four options: everyone, my contact accepts, nobody. If you select everyone, anyone who has your contacts information can see the last time were you online. If you select my contacts, only people in your contacts list can see the time you are online. If you select nobody, no one will be able to see the last time you were online. This setting is also prevent from seeing when other users were last online. This is how you can add or remove the timestamp on WhatsApp.